The overall goal of this experiment is to capture cap-binding proteins in conditions of low oxygen. This method utilizes an Agarose-linked 7-methylguanosine cap analog to investigate cap-binding factors and their interacting partners.
This method will help answer key questions in the field of protein synthesis, such as identifying novel oxygen-regulated factors involved in cap-dependent translation. The main advantage of this technique is that cells are kept in a hypoxia workstation up until the point of lysis.
The implications of this technique extend towards cancer therapy because cancer cells within a tumor are exposed to very low levels of oxygen, and translational control plays a key role in tumor progression.
We first had the idea for this method when we read a recent publication from Corona's colleagues reporting that tissue oxygenation is actually closer to what we call hypoxia rather than the normoxia that cells are routinely cultured in.
Begin this procedure with cell culture as described in the text protocol. After counting the cells using a hemocytometer, seed 150 mm culture dishes containing 15 milliliters of complete medium to obtain a cell density of 2,500 to 5,000 cells per square centimeter. Use 2 150 mm dishes for each cap-binding assay. Place the seeded culture dishes in the incubator at 37 degrees Celsius in a 5% carbon dioxide atmosphere. After the cells have incubated at least 24 hours, place the cells into a hypoxia workstation for the desired time. Then, set the workstation to the appropriate physioxia.